Hey guys, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I will be participating in a tablescape that's being hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Courtney from Amethyst Adventures, and their special guest is Andrea Mason from the Queen's Court. And guys, I will leave all of the links for their channels in my description bar below. And please don't forget to not only go look at their videos, but also the other participants in this collaboration. Now the theme that they have for us to do is for spring, and I will be starting with my place settings. So I have these really pretty chintz bowls. They are different tones of creams and lavenders and purples with touches of reds, and I absolutely love them. They're all similar, but as you can see, they're slightly different, with even deep rich jewel tones all the way out to like light lavenders and everything in between, and some pinks. So I have my chintz bowl, of course, and these pretty floral napkins. I broke it all up with just a cream dinner plate. I love these lavender purple looking chargers with that reef design. And then I also brought in some greenery because it is spring, and my place mat, which is sort of all of those colors, and I love it. It's sort of the inspiration for this, and that's my placemats, and my runners are the same. I went in with some simple tapered flatware, but my stemware is from Pier 1. It is so gorgeous. I used to love Pier 1 before they closed. I think they're online now, but sort of not the same. But guys, do you see that really pretty rose pink tone on it with the clear stem bottom? I think these are so pretty. They're sort of simple, but so exquisite at the same time. I love the design of those. And that is my place setting, and I absolutely love it. Now we're gonna go to the other portions, which I have a runner that matches those placemats, and I layered that with the same cedar, but I also put on some Italian rusticas on the bottom. But my centerpiece, which is my flowers, are sort of like a really pretty light wildflowers with all of those same tones of pinks and lavenders and creams with some greenery. I really wanted to feel a little bit ethereal with the clear vase. It's so nice to bring in a clear glass vase this time of year. And what I did was I have a cement base for my vase centerpiece. I got this from Kirkland's. It's so perfect for this time of year and throughout the summer because it is clear. And I also layered another vase inside of that one to create that floral on the inside, but still have the bouquet coming out the top that's light and full and really gives it a nice look, which is why I wanted to give you a close-up to show you how I actually made the vase. I do have a bunny on here. I know it's past Easter, but it is spring, so I figured it would be perfect for this. Excuse my voice, guys. I have a little bit of a scratchy throat. But this is a DIY, and it does have a beautiful decoupage to it. And this one on the other side is also a DIY. It's just a monogrammed initial in florals. They both are on each side, so I think the colors and the tones match so perfect. And yes, I know it's past Easter, guys, but you gotta admit the bunny is so perfect for this tablescape. And of course, I have lots of greenery all included. Now, I have been getting a lot of questions, guys, about my chandelier in my dining room. So I figured I would include this. This is from Pottery Barn. I could put the link for this below. It comes in 2 different sizes. That is the base. You can elongate it if you want. It is made from a deep black, and then it has gold, but it's not a bright, shimmery, brassy gold. It's very elegant looking in person. And then it has clear globes, and these are the bulbs that they recommended. So just wanted to mention that. I got so many questions. I said, let me just put it in this video quickly. And if you want a tour of my dining room, I'll be more than happy to do that. But I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to check out the host links in the description bar below, and also our guest host. And also don't forget to go check out the other participants on the playlist. and that way you'll be able to view their videos and get plenty of inspiration of how to decorate a nice tablescape design for spring. So guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the bell when you do, subscribe so you'll know when I upload a new video. I love you guys. I hope to see you in the next video, and thank you all for watching.